Well, I'm sure NYCB, I know you guys are in Orlando, you're having a great time, but I'm sure NYCB was at least a brief topic of conversation. Give me a sense, when it comes to you, your peers, what do you think of Alessandro Danilo, who appears to have taken the reins since earnings, now officially becoming the CEO? Do you believe that he's the right person to fix this and these quote-unquote internal control weaknesses?
All right. Well, first of all, it goes by Sandro, so let's make that easier. He turned around Flagstar, which was an ailing bank. The charges are non-cash, so that's also really important from an accounting perspective. The material weaknesses are certainly disturbing, but they've also made it clear they don't have to add more to reserves. I mean, they added over $500 million to reserves, really unallocated, to beef up their number. And they're very unique as a lender. But I'll say the really important thing here about the whole industry is they were one of the last big banks to report earnings. And because of that, everybody assigned the rest of the group with problems. They were the last one to report. Everybody else reported. Nobody else had these types of issues. Nobody was under-reserved. No one had tremendous losses in any particular segment. This is not the same as what happened in the spring, because what happened in the spring is the banks that failed had really large concentrated deposits, and those depositors fled. This bank has a lot of, one, cash, two, 75% of their deposits are actually FDIC insured. The FDIC insured all the deposits at the failed bank.
So Anton, let me jump in a second. So they don't have the same issue as an SVB may have, but I do want to talk to you about this. NYCB, it has outsized exposure, and we're going to show the audience a chart right here, to New York rent-controlled apartments. NYCB with about 3 to 4 times the exposure of any of their other peers. Is that a big deal or a little deal? Because, I mean, rent control, it doesn't get changed very often. There was a 2019 law that's created some of this, but rent control, it just doesn't change. So we're showing the audience a chart, by the way. I don't know if you can see it. Is this a big deal or a little deal?
Well, I mean, it's a big deal. They are, you know, clearly from your chart and from knowledge, I mean, this is the largest player in this industry. Also, they bank the best borrowers in this industry. They're not bottom feeders. They're lending to the billionaire families that own these places. So that's also really important because they have staying power.
All right, so they got some staying power. You've already addressed the issue of contagion. You don't see a contagion risk. Again, NYCB pretty much the last one to report. The other banks didn't have similar issues. I do want to ask you something else about NYCB. Again, downgraded by Fitch, downgraded by Moody's, a lot of concern about this company. There was also a delay in filing its 10K. Your colleagues in the analyst community, they kind of have some mixed opinions about this delayed 10K. Is this delay, again, a big deal, a little deal? Is it possibly good that they're delaying because they might have a plan to fix these problems?
Well, I think, you know, they're clearly putting a plan in place. I mean, Sandra's only been in place a few weeks. But there are many things that they can do. Obviously, fixing internal controls is important. They've announced a new chief risk officer. They've announced a new accounting officer. I think among many things they can do, right, is they can certainly cut the size of the balance sheet. There's assets they could potentially sell if they choose to. They can certainly cut expenses. There's lots of different things they can do. I'm certainly not going out and telling anybody you should be buying this thing hand over fist, but what I am trying to say is I believe this company survives.
All right, and you also believe, I just want to be clear, that you believe that CEO Sandro Danilo, he's the right person for the job.
He is at this point for sure. He's got, you know, internal knowledge. He sold Flagstar Bank to NYCB. I think you're going to see a name change here. I think this is going to become Flagstar Bank. You know, I think that will be helpful, as well as from a goodwill perspective, that this company is doing something different. It's going forward on a different path. I think you'll see some moves that happen over the next few months.
Okay.
And I think we'll have a better understanding as times go forward.